Next is Exide. Exide, we already did a review in September. At that time, we were not doing recording postings and all. So again, a lot of people started asking about Exide because Amaraja was published yesterday. I think today I published Amaraja batteries. So after Amaraja went, a lot of people came out with the opinion that Exide is a better stock than Amaraja. Why are you not recommending that? So again, I am not recommending any stock here. So we are giving our opinions on the stock. So to give that confirmation whether Amaraja is best or Exide is best, I thought of doing one more review on Exide. So those who are in the server, you can find Exide review already done. We will have a slide there. Now we are doing a recording capture also. So rankings for Exide, earnings rank is close to 40%, price rank is 42%. Here itself we can see what is the leadership this stock is having. Amaraja we did last week. That is a leader actually. Sales is going southward since December 18. It's about 2 years now. Going to be 2 years. Sales is not picking up at all. Consistent decline in profit. They have been beautifully managing that. Regularly they have been reducing their profit. That shows up in the stock price also. From 2018 end onwards, the stock is only southwards. It's only going down. And it's surprising to see so many people having positive opinion on the stock when the stock is going down. Seriously, you have to rethink on the investment decisions that is being made. Invest in a stock that is going up, not the one that is going down. If we are buying a stock at 120 and selling at 180, you make 60 rupees profit. If you buy at 100 when it is going down, thinking that it will go up, and if it goes down to 90 or 80, your money is not growing. Instead of that, one is loss, and if suppose you are waiting for a longer time, you are losing time value. So obviously, when we have to make big money in stock market, we have to be with the outperforming stocks. That only will help us make money. And Exide is valued above the industry. That is because earnings is dropping, P is becoming extensively higher. Generally, people think that because PE is higher, we should not buy, or because PE is lower, we should buy. PE is there because of a reason. There are some stocks which have 150, 125 PE, and after that also it will give 100% returns. I have a live example of that. I think in 2014 or something, Eicher Motors had 125 plus PE. And after that, stock at the time stock was around 17,000-18,000 rupees, and stock went to 35,000 rupees. So PE is irrelevant for a growth stock. All these are old school of belief that PE is about 25, about 40, we should not buy. No, if there is a future growth potential, that is what gets fronted in the stock. If I can see a stock growing at 50% for 2 years, PE can be more than 100. That's already factored in. So PE will not be a single point evaluator to decide on a stock. No investor group is interested in this stock. I don't know why retail people, so many people are talking on the channel as well as server, but reality is nobody is interested in this stock. That's why the stock is going down. If interest is there, stock will go up. You can see, you can go and check HDFC Bank or Reliance, interest that it is having from the investor side. That's why the stock is going up. Exide can retest 131. I think this 131 came in March. It can retest that, or if it has having a breakout at 178, we can buy. While whatever price currently it is 178 and above, if we go and buy from there where it can go with the kind of strength that the stock is showing on its business, looks like need not invest in the stock. And again, when it's having a price rank of 42, that means more than 50% of companies, like 400 companies, are doing extremely well than this company in the market today. Let's find some gems in that and invest, not the stock. So for the battery industry, stay with the leader. Amaraja is the clear leader in the market. It's very, very well known. Even the last 2-3 weeks, you can see the stock price movement of Amaraja. From March, if we take the returns these two stocks have provided, Exide has gone up 32%, Amaraja has gone up 132%. See the difference the leaders exhibit. So be with the leaders. You will never be allowed to make loss. That is guaranteed. Like Robin will say, you cannot but be successful in life. That's how it is. If you be with the leader, you cannot but keep making money. So that's our view with Excite. Again, we have had the opportunity to do two reviews for Excite in the last 2 months' time. Of course, both are not worth any strength to the stock. Our thoughts and views about Excite, it's not a good stock for investing. Be with the leader. If you are invested, take a call, have a stop loss. Stock is not going anywhere. Make a decision and do a judgment on buying the stock.